to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time tuning in. My name is Benifa and welcome to my channel. So I know I've been missing for a minute now. I've been gone for like 2 months, 3 months, I don't know, long time, but I'm back with a hair tutorial. It's very simple though. It's a slick bun with the edges out. Y'all see it? This is my first time actually doing a slick back bun. I usually do like middle parts or a high bun. Like I never do like just a slick back bun. So it's very easy. Everybody can do a slick back bun, but I did some edges. So if you don't know how to do edges, then stay tuned. Y'all see my little barrette too? Just stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on social media, and let's get into the video. So the products that I'm gonna be using is the Ecostyler gel and Gorilla Snot. I also put conditioner in here. My hair is already conditioned. It has conditioner, leave-in conditioner in it. So let's go.